In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Skype video call, camera not working. If your video is black, frozen, or Skype can't find your webcam, follow along and we'll get you back on camera quickly. Start by making sure Skype itself is up to date. Open the Microsoft Store on your PC, type Skype in the search bar, and if you see an update button, click it. Updates often include camera compatibility fixes and performance improvements. If you only see open, you're already on the latest store version. Next, confirm Windows is actually allowing Skype to use your camera. Open the Windows Settings app, go to Privacy, then Camera. At the top, turn Camera Access to On. Below that, switch Allow Apps to access your camera to on as well. Scroll down the list of apps and make sure Skype is toggled on. If you change any of these switches, close and reopen Skype so the new permissions take effect. If you don't see Skype in the list right away, launch Skype once and return to this page. If permissions look good but the camera still won't cooperate, repair the Skype app. Open Settings, select Apps, find Skype in your installed apps, click it, then choose Advanced Options. Click Repair. This refreshes the app's files without deleting your data, and it often clears up glitches. If repairing doesn't help, use the Reset option in that same Advanced Options menu. Click Reset and confirm. Resetting restores Skype to its default state, which can resolve deeper issues. Keep in mind this may remove app data and settings, so you'll likely need to sign back in and reapply your preferences afterward. If you are still stuck, reinstall Skype. Uninstall Skype from your system first, then install it again either from the Microsoft Store or from the official Skype website. Pick one source and stick with it to avoid version conflicts. After installation, sign in and proceed to test. Finally, test the camera inside Skype. Open Skype and log in. Start a video call or open settings and choose audio and video to preview your camera feed. Make sure the correct camera is selected if you have more than one, and close other apps that might be using the webcam in the background. That's it. Your Skype camera should now be working properly. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more Skype tips and tutorials.